I walked outside.
I walked outside.
She saw a tree.
She saw a tree.
He climbed a hill.
He climbed a hill.
They watched the birds.
They watched the birds.
We picked flowers.
We picked flowers.
I smelled a rose.
I smelled a rose.
She touched the grass.
She touched the grass.
He chased a butterfly.
He chased a butterfly.
They built a tent.
They built a tent.
We sat on rocks.
We sat on rocks.
I skipped stones.
I skipped stones.
She saw a rainbow.
She saw a rainbow.
He touched the snow.
He touched the snow.
They ran on sand.
They ran on sand.
We climbed the stairs.
We climbed the stairs.
I looked at clouds.
I looked at clouds.
She found a feather.
She found a feather.
He picked a leaf.
He picked a leaf.
They crossed a stream.
They crossed a stream.
We explored the forest.
We explored the forest.
I packed my bag.
I packed my bag.
She filled the bottle.
She filled the bottle.
He carried a bag.
He carried a bag.
They followed the trail.
They followed the trail.
We reached the camp.
We reached the camp.
I found a cave.
I found a cave.
She stepped in water.
She stepped in water.
He dried his shoes.
He dried his shoes.
They lit a fire.
They lit a fire.
We ate outside.
We ate outside.
I wore a cap.
I wore a cap.
She put on boots.
She put on boots.
He brought snacks.
He brought snacks.
They used a map.
They used a map.
We took a photo.
We took a photo.
I cleaned my tent.
I cleaned my tent.
She zipped the bag.
She zipped the bag.
He opened the can.
He opened the can.
They cooked on fire.
They cooked on fire.
We sat under trees.
We sat under trees.
I waved at birds.
I waved at birds.
She drew in sand.
She drew in sand.
He jumped over logs.
He jumped over logs.
They found a frog.
They found a frog.
We watched the stars.
We watched the stars.
I walked the dog.
I walked the dog.
She fed the pigeons.
She fed the pigeons.
He rode a horse.
He rode a horse.
They saw a deer.
They saw a deer.
We enjoyed the sunset.
We enjoyed the sunset.
I opened the app.
I opened the app.
She clicked the link.
She clicked the link.
He scrolled the page.
He scrolled the page.
They shared the video.
They shared the video.
We like the post.
We like the post.
I typed a note.
I typed a note.
She saved the file.
She saved the file.
He copied the image.
He copied the image.
They edited the photo.
They edited the photo.
We watched the vlog.
We watched the vlog.
I turned off Wi-Fi.
I turned off Wi-Fi.
She played a game.
She played a game.
He built a model.
He built a model.
They flew a drone.
They flew a drone.
We made a video.
We made a video.
I sent a message.
I sent a message.
She wrote a poem.
She wrote a poem.
He painted a tree.
He painted a tree.
They cut paper.
They cut paper.
We crafted animals.
We crafted animals.
I joined the chat.
I joined the chat.
She printed a photo.
She printed a photo.
He changed the password.
He changed the password.
They logged in early.
They logged in early.
We followed the page.
We followed the page.
I charged my watch.
I charged my watch.
She drew a face.
She drew a face.
He read a blog.
He read a blog.
They watched a match.
They watched a match.
We fixed the speaker.
We fixed the speaker.
I played the guitar.
I played the guitar.
She tuned the piano.
She tuned the piano.
He sang a song.
He sang a song.
They danced together.
They danced together.
We clapped our hands.
We clapped our hands.
I downloaded a book.
I downloaded a book.
She listened to music.
She listened to music.
He cleaned the screen.
He cleaned the screen.
They used headphones.
They used headphones.
We closed the app.
We closed the app.
I clicked the mouse.
I clicked the mouse.
She moved the icon.
She moved the icon.
He updated the system.
He updated the system.
They scanned the code.
They scanned the code.
We connected the charger.
We connected the charger.
I checked the network.
I checked the network.
She joined a group.
She joined a group.
He opened a tab.
He opened a tab.
They searched online.
They searched online.
We played together.
We played together.